Hello, welcome to Marine Courses Center. Today we're going to talk about instruments on board a ship. Hydrometer. As you can see here, we have a picture of hydrometer, and this hydrometer is used to measure density of dock water, and the unit of density of water is 10 per meter square. Hydrometer is used for 1. Draft survey while we are making loading or unloading a ship. 2. To calculate dock water allowance. 3. To calculate or to find out how much load line will submerge in the port. Dock water allowance is equal fresh water allowance times 1025 minus dock water density, all of this per 25. So we have here the formula of dock water allowance. In this video we will know steps to be followed when using a hydrometer. So right now we're gonna to know steps of how we're gonna use hydrometer. First of all, hydrometer should have a certified for a marine use. So when we're gonna have a hydrometer, it must to be certified for use it on board of the ship or for a marine use. We have to make sure that the physical condition of hydrometer scale is working good and we don't have any crack or any damage while we are gonna to use hydrometer. Now we're gonna to talk about steps of how we're gonna to use hydrometer. First of all, we're gonna take a clean bucket and take samples from 6 points around the ship from at least half draft depths. So here in the first picture you can see that we have a bucket and we fit this bucket with a rope, so we're gonna to take samples from 6 points of the ship, and also in second picture and also in picture number 3. So after that we're gonna to collect these samples and we're gonna to make a measurement. As you can see here in this picture, we already collected the sample of the water, but before we're gonna to use this, we must to let water settle down. Right now, after the water is settled down, we're gonna to put the hydrometer in bucket and make sure hydrometer doesn't touch the side of the bucket. As you can see here in the picture, we have the bucket that collects the water, the sample of the water, and we're gonna to use the hydrometer. We're gonna to put it inside this bucket, and we have to make sure that the hydrometer doesn't touch the side of the bucket. So right now we're gonna to let the hydrometer to be free, and then we're gonna to have the reading. So as you can see here in the picture, we have a reading. Okay, we have 5 and 10 and 15 and also 20. Okay, so right now we're gonna to take the reading from the lower.